Hey guys, how you all doing? Here Carlos Valenzuela, your Chilean affiliate from Digital Chaos, and welcome to my MoneyCraft Reloaded review. Well, MoneyCraft comes from Minecraft because we're gonna be dealing with video games. Yes, you heard right. In a nutshell, MoneyCraft is a breakthrough app, an underground system that automates flipping easy profits that anyone can do without a website, an email list, social media, or even traffic. You don't need none of these things, guys. The only thing we're gonna be doing is finding hot-selling video games on a secret marketplace, the most popular in the world, and buying them cheaper in another place and selling them there, okay? As simple as that. And this is a very lucrative business, guys. Believe me, this is a very easy way to start making money online. And it just takes 3 easy steps. First, let the app find your in-demand video games at below market prices. 2, snag games for cheap and release them in a secret marketplace that we're going to be showing you inside the app. And 3, just sit back and profit. As simple as that. Yeah, I understand you might be skeptical, the same as I was, but when you see this in action, it is really amazing, and the opportunities are really big. Well, you know, a lot of people do this domain flipping. Well, this is the same, but instead with video games. And the good part is that there's not many people as doing domains flipping. Also, we're not going to be working with just any video game. We're going to be using just the most popular video games, and we're going to be using the best marketplace in the world, the most popular one. I know it's a little bit complicated to explain you, but it is, when you see it in action, you will understand what I mean. So this time I'm going to make this review a little bit different, and I'm going to start by showing you MoneyCraft in action, and then I'm going to show you the prices and upsells and all that, okay? So if this is something you might be interested in, please stick with me, because now I'm going to go through everything, okay? Also, I want to tell you that today I have very special bonuses for you, because beside the bonuses that you will find on the sales page, if you click via my link, that by the way is down below in the description of this video or in my fixed comment, I'm gonna be giving you 5 bonuses you can choose from. Yes, that's right, but more about this later on. Okay, now I want to show you Minecraft in action. Alright guys, so here I am about to log in into my MoneyCraft account to show you how can we flip video games for profit in literally minutes. Okay, but just before I log into my account, I want to show you the secret platform here where everybody buys and sells the video games, and that will be uncovered inside MoneyCraft, okay? Well, what you're seeing on your screen now is this very popular game called Horizon Zero Dawn, and our goal here is to find the same game that right now it sells here for $49 in another place for cheaper, then come back to this platform again and list it for the same price, and then sell it for profit. Okay, so what I want to do now is copy this particular game name. Okay, as you can see, it's a complete edition and it's for PC and it's a global key, okay, not for just a particular country. As you can see here, because I'm in Spain, it says it can activate it in Spain. Okay, so I'll copy this one. All right, now I'm gonna go to my MoneyCraft, I'm gonna log in and I'm gonna search for this particular game. Okay, I'm gonna paste the name here. Alright, I'm going to put search, and what MoneyCraft is going to do now is to search for this particular game in about 25 different sites, very similar to the one that I just showed you, but for a cheaper price, and you will see how quickly it comes up with the best results. Okay, so here we go. So the next thing you want to do is filter the results. So you copy this name again, you paste it in this search bar, okay, and now you only have this name here, and you're gonna order by price. All right, there we go. And remember, what we're looking is for the complete edition and a global key. Okay, so we start looking here. This is complete edition, but this is only United States. So here you have for PS4. Here we go, and also it was for PC. Okay, so here we go, we have this one. Let's check this out. This is the complete edition for PC. I don't know if it's global, but let's check it out because this is a good price. We can make almost $15 profit, and you click on that and it takes you to this page, and actually it's cheaper now here, you see, and here you see region worldwide. So this is fantastic. Now we can buy this here. For example, we can buy 10 keys, okay, which is going to cost us 30 euros, and then we can come back here and sell it for $50 US. 30 euros is going to be approximately 35 US dollars, so we're going to be making like $15 US as profit if for each key that we sell of this particular game. Okay, as you can see, it's exactly the same game, so the only thing you need to do is go buy now buy all the keys you want. You can also pay with PayPal and then go back to the other platform. We have to create an account, list it there, and then just sell it for profit, okay? As simple as that. And this, guys, works. This is not just any other shiny object there that tells you, okay, buy this software and you're gonna get free traffic and free buyers traffic and all this just for free, just because of buying a software. No, here you have to do the effort. You have to look, search for the games, okay? Invest money, of course, but you're gonna make it back, okay? And that's where this software is going to help you to find the best, cheapest prices so you can make more profit out of this. Another thing I want to show you here, for example, because I forgot almost, okay, here you have the amount of results you have found for this particular game. You can show different amount of entries, okay? Also, you have another tab called deals, but this is only the pro users can have this one, okay? So if you want to upgrade, you can always click here and you can get your upgrade to pro. All right, okay, you also have the best deals. This is available to every user, okay? So you can always use the best deals tab, okay? If I click on here, my results are going to be gone, okay? I have to search again, or I can click on go back here, okay? You can go to best deals, all right, and then search here. You have the training. This, guys, here, let me tell you, is very important, this PDF, okay? First you download this, because then you have some videos, but here they say these videos are in addition to the information provided in the PDF, not a replacement. Please make sure you first read the PDF to get the full understanding. So I hardly recommend you guys that you follow the steps in order to get all the maximum of your MoneyCraft software, okay? So if we go back up, you also have a calculator here. Here you can calculate your profit. Here you paste the URL of the game, the amount that you purchased, and you can check your profit, okay? And here we go back to our dashboard. In case you don't know how to set up an account on this particular marketplace we have, you can always buy one of the OTOs that comes everything included, that I will show you right now, the prices and upsells, okay? Remember, guys, from here, the only access you have is to this pro version. All the other ones are one-time offer if you get it together with the front end, or you cannot get them later, okay? And last but not least, you have always here where to reach the support live, in a live chat, okay? You don't have to go sending emails or anything like that. You just write your question here, click on send, and you're gonna get an instant answer, okay? Well, I hope you like this new version of MoneyCraft Reloaded. I love it. Okay, so now that you know how this works and the big potential it has, I would like to show you the bonuses that you're gonna get if you buy via my link, that, by the way, is down in the description of this video or in my fixed comment. And then I'm gonna show you the prices and upsells, and also show you the instructions that you need to follow to get the extra bonuses that you can choose from, okay? Alright, guys, so here I'm gonna show you the prices and upsells for MoneyCraft, okay? I will leave you a link to this document in the description of this video so you can also check it later with more calm, okay? As you can see, we have a front end, and then we have 3 upsells, okay? Upsell number 1 and 2 have a downsell, but very important, please, the downsells, or the light version, how they're called, okay, do not include the new additions, okay? The ones that are marked in yellow, like this here, okay? I'm gonna show you now. So the front end costs just $17. Here you're gonna get the exact 2-part system responsible for generating over $1 million. Inside here, guys, you're also gonna find all the training necessary and the software that works to find these offers, okay? These are the new additions you're gonna find on preloaded version, okay? The profit predictor and a case study that will show you how a person from 72 years was able to make $3,000 a month with this system, okay? The OTO number 1 is called cheat code level and costs $47. This is a cheat code that uncovers 100% ethical and legal loophole that allows users to keep up to 30% more profit selling the exact same games, okay? The new additions are 2 ready-to-go offers that you can put and start selling, making you money immediately, no researching, no finding. And 5 short and actionable tips and tricks videos that will give you an edge over others. But remember, with the light version, you won't get these 2 here, okay? The light version costs $37. The OTO number 2 is the power-up level, and this costs $47 a month or $97 for 1 year access. So in this case, I recommend you to get the $97 for 1 year. Within 2 months, you already pay this. Okay, with this, guys, they're going to be delivering you the exact games that you need to make profit month after month. No researching, no finding required, nothing, okay? They will tell you exactly which games to buy, when to buy, where to buy, and how to release them on the secret platform, okay? And you also get 5 hot selling games that will get you started right out of the door immediately. Remember, you don't get this with the light version or the downsell. Then finally we have the OTO number 3, which is the boss level and costs $297. Here the guys are going to take you by hand on a one-on-one setting and help you setting everything up, even your accounts and everything. So it's a complete done for you package, so you just have to sit back and watch how they make profit for you. My exclusive bonuses, guys, are the ones I was telling you. You will be able to choose 5 bonuses, 2 with the purchase of the front end and 3 more if you purchase any of the OTOs I just showed you, okay? Okay, the only thing you need to do is tell me what 4 bonuses would you like, and I will send you by email 5 bonuses that best fit your requirements. Just write me an email to info@digitalcows with your ticket purchase and I will deliver you the bonuses by email, okay? Alright, so these are my exclusive bonuses, guys, okay? Now I want to show you my semi-exclusive bonuses that you're gonna get if you click on the link that is down below in my description. If you click on that link, you're gonna be redirected to this page, and if we scroll quickly down below, here we are. The first bonus is 73 in 8 minutes flat case study, okay? This has a value of $297. I'm not going to go through all this in detail, guys, but if you want, you can click on the link and check them out by yourself, okay? The bonus number 2 is called Insider Secrets to Find High Profit Games. This has a value of $597. My bonus number 3 has a value of $147. It's called MoneyCraft Quick Start Checklist, okay? And finally, my bonus number 4 costs $97 and is MoneyCraft Resources Cheat Sheet. You're going to get all this delivered inside your members area, okay? So inside the members area, guys, you're going to find these cheat sheets and all my bonuses, okay? As well as the training included and a PDF that is going to show you how to get started very quick with MoneyCraft and start making money in less than 48 hours. Alright guys, and that was my MoneyCraft Reloaded review. I hope you like it, but more than that, I hope it helps you take the right decision whether you want to buy it or not. Don't forget that if you want to get MoneyCraft Reloaded, all the bonuses that I include, plus the bonuses you can choose from me, the only thing you need to do is click down below in the link on the description or in my fixed comment. If you have any questions regarding MoneyCraft Reloaded, don't be afraid of dropping down a comment and I will answer you as soon as possible. If you like this video and if you think it helped you taking a right decision, please let me know by giving me a like, or if you didn't like it, just give me a dislike, no problem. And if you consider it appropriate, you can subscribe to my channel here, okay? And I would very much appreciate it. Thank you very much for staying all the way to the end with me. I wish you a great week. Take care, take it easy, and see you in the next one.